Hello everyone. Today I want to show you an use case that I use ChatGPT to help me deal with an issue in Excel. So over here you can see my data in Excel. Unfortunately, I got asterisk at the beginning and at the end of the data. So I want to remove all the asterisk, and I will try using the find replace function. Okay. So when I try to replace the asterisk with nothing and press replace all, look like it removed all of my data, so obviously this is not the solution. Okay, so I will go over ChatGPT and ask for a way to do that in Excel. So I will type in my prompt here. Okay, so when you work with ChatGPT, basically you want to give it as much information as possible. So over here you can see I give it the information like I use find replace, but it does not work. It replaced all my word, placed on the word, and looks like cell match on character with the star with the asterisk. So how can I cancel that effect? Okay, so let's see what ChatGPT come back for me. All right, so Control 8. So pretty much the same here. Okay, so in the find what field I need to enter the tilde, tilde followed by an asterisk. Okay, so let's go back to Excel and see whether it's work. All right, so in the beginning of the asterisk, let's add the tilde and now click replace all. Looks good, right? Yeah, no asterisk anymore. Okay, so ChatGPT just saved me. As you can see, just a simple prompt, and maybe just take me 3 minutes instead of spending hour googling around. All right, I see you next time. Bye.